Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms of herlovelyplan, and I am here with another Decorate With Me. As you guys know, I am participating in the One Planner Challenge, and yes, I'm going to say that on every video because that's my way of holding me accountable, and also just to let you guys know that I am truly being committed to this One Planner Challenge. And I can't wait until we get to the end of it because I've already gotten so many revelations on how I'm going to operate going forward in my planner journey, and I just can't wait to share with you guys. So look out for that video at the end of the month. But now we're only in week 2 of March, so let's get straight into what's going on in here. Now, this is my prop planner, and I call it a prop planner because, like I said, I don't plan in it. It's all decoration, but it's, again, another way for me just to show you how you can use your horizontal mini happy planner and how to plan decoratively and functionally at the same time. Now, I do want to share something with you all. So this past weekend, I had a planner meetup, and we did a D-stash plan with me. So we only did our planners with the D-stash that was provided at the planner meetup, and I really love how my planner turned out. Even though I did already decorate for this week, I still want to do an actual full video showing how I'm decorating this week in my mini happy planner. And this is undated, so I can kind of do what I want to do when I want to do what I want to do. So anyway, this is really cute. I was able to kind of stick to my planner style with the D-stash. I was kind of leery because I'm like, okay, I'm used to having this and that. I'm used to having my colorful box stickers, and it was a little struggle, but it worked out. And it was cool because they were actually some script stickers where I could kind of put in, as if I was planning. And of course, Monday I wanted to clean, and pictures that was just for pictures for my social media, some shopping, exercising, stay hydrated. So it was kind of cool to be able to actually play around with this spread. So I want to go ahead and get into showing you how to decorate in your mini happy planner for the week of November the 11th through the 17th. So keep watching. All right, loves, so I am doing what I love to do best, and that's layer stickers. This spread is classic mini happy planner CheKesha. I will be honest, I do miss having a mini happy planner, but I miss it because I loved decorating it. I think I do more planning now because I've kind of found my niche and I've found my planner piece, but I do miss planning in a mini planner. This is probably like the only horizontal planner that I can plan in with ease. When I was trying to do my setup in the Sisterhood of the Traveling Planners planner, it was very hard because even though it was the same as this mini, it was just so much space. And I don't know, it's probably more of a mental thing because it has actually the same space as a vertical planner. It just doesn't have the lines going vertically. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So it was just a joy planning in this planner today. And I need to stop saying planning because I don't want y'all to think I'm cheating, because I am committed to the One Planner Challenge. So decorating in this planner today gave me some joy and some peace. I will honestly say, for me, decorating and even putting some pen in my planners is very therapeutic. I really don't have a lot of things that I do that are hobby-ish, if that's even a word. Like when I used to do hair, that was my hobby when I was still in corporate America, but now that it is my full-time job and my career, it's no longer a hobby. So decorating planners and being crafty, which I did not know I was crafty, has really brought a nice calming to my life, besides spending time with God. But this is just really, really fun. So I'm enjoying doing this spread because the colors are giving me a lot of life too. The brightness, and I'm sorry I keep shaking the table, but the colors of this yellow is like a mustard yellow, and this aqua kind of greenish blue is giving me summer vibes. Like, forget spring, let's go straight into summer. Getting into the pool, wearing those open-toe shoes, and just letting your hair blow in the wind. So this planner, Decorate With Me, is really, really giving me life. So I don't really have a lot to say about what I'm doing. I try to do voiceovers because you guys like to hear my voice. I don't know why though. And y'all like to hear this crazy laugh. I think that was the laugh that Coffee and Diamond always says I do. But anyway, I don't know what to say other than it's flower time. Guys, this is a classic CheKesha Her Lovely Plan spread. Like, my planner sis gave me this fun floral happy planner value pack sticker book, whatever you want to call it. And I could not wait to use it today. Like, I had already had in my mind, like, whatever spread I do, whatever color scheme I do, I am using these flowers in this sticker book. So it was really fun going back. Like, it's almost like a throwback Thursday, but it's mini a Monday. And even though this video is going to be up a little bit late, I still wanted to get it out there because my goal, besides no more hoarding, it is to stick to my schedule, not unless some things pop up. So Mondays are dedicated to mini happy planner. So I hope y'all are enjoying this Decorate With Me. I'm gonna go ahead and put a muzzle on my mouth so you can enjoy the rest of the movie and catch the remainder of this Decorate With Me. Okay, loves, I am finished my Decorate With Me in my mini happy planner. And you guys, you know, sometimes I just amaze myself. Like, I didn't expect for these colors to give me so much life. Like, really, these colors are giving me life. And when I initially because you know I like to put my props up. When I initially did my prop with this Villa Beautiful pen, this is actually the turmeric, and this was from a release around the fall time, around like October, November. But anyway, I didn't intend on incorporating this color into this kit until I pulled this particular sticker, and as you could see, this sticker book had that color sticker and this sticker at the top. So I was like, this is a color that I don't think that I have ever done before, which is this mustard type yellow with this greenish blue. Look, I don't know what color with the true color. Aqua, that's what it is. That's aqua color. I never thought about putting these colors together, and if I did do it in a previous spread, it's been so long I don't remember, but I really like these colors. And then I was like, man, you know, I got to put a doll sticker in there, and I could not remember to save my life if I had a sticker doll that would work perfectly with this spread. And this big-eyed booty beauty from Stickers by Rhonda went perfect. And you guys, it's a shame that I'm not actually planning in it, but on the flip side, it's a good thing because it's too pretty to plan in. But for all of my planner babes that are like, okay, I need to still be able to write in my spread, it's no way that you can't tell me you don't have enough room to write in here. I mean, from all of the sticker, the box stickers that gives you plenty of space, like this has lines, so you can write here, 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 here. It's so many places for you to write in here. And then this spot right here could be, traditionally when I used to plan in my mini planner, I would always do either a long vertical box or a short box so I can write my to-dos. So you still have plenty of space here to write things that you need to do. You have space here. I mean, it's plenty of space to write in this planner, not unless you have a whole ton of plans. Then you can kind of decide to not add a sticker here, or maybe not even put a doll there. So you have a lot of variety with a spread like this. You still have a little bit of white space to add extra stuff outside of what you will put in your box stickers. And other than that, if I keep talking, I mean, I'm gonna talk myself into writing in this planner. But you guys, I love it. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. If so, you already know what to do. Give me a big old thumbs up. Drop me a comment below in my comment section and let me know what you're thinking about the colors and the layout, and whether or not you can actually use this as a functional spread for your week. As well, if you haven't already done so by this point in time, make sure you click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a new video or my Sunday live streams. And as well, if you're interested in purchasing this beauty, I do have a referral link in the description box, along with some other amazing shops that I PR for and just like to support. So if this spread has inspired you, why don't you go ahead and share it with your planner friends so they can also be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, planner fam, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.